Happy holidays. Here in the integrated development environment, I actually spend most of my time in. It's Visual Studio Code. Now, if you are a super coder, if you are like a really hot programmer, you look at the fact that I spend most of my time in Visual Studio Code, and you already know I am not the best programmer in the world. But nonetheless, I wanted to show the true beginners a great environment for them. Why is Visual Studio Code a great environment? Because you can do things like this. Look, I hovered over NumPy and it tells me about the library. Yeah, try that in Emacs, whatever. This Visual Studio Code tool is a great tool, and it pains me to say that because mostly I hate Microsoft. Yeah, see, hear my pain? Even my son hates Microsoft. I wanted to give you guys that little tip, and I'll give you another one right before we get to 2020. If you want to learn to code in 2020, if you're truly a beginner, get a project. Doesn't matter if it's an artificial neural net for chest x-rays, or if it's natural language processing to go through Trump's, tweets and whatever else he puts out in the media, or it's, something that follows the diets of you and your friends, and you like all weigh yourselves, and it like does all the statistical calc. Just do something. Just pick a project. You'll learn faster than any book, and videos and notebooks can teach you. So for those of you who are super advanced, I have a video for us. Those of us who are doing machine learning in medicine or imaging already, I put out a video with some thoughts about what I think is coming in 2020, what may be coming in 2020. Of course, you beginners can look too, but for the true beginners, happy holidays. I wanted to show you VS Code and give you this one hint for 2020. Super important hint, get a project. It'll help you move forward. Okay. Happy holidays.